it's Debbie. Welcome to our 2007 Cougar. I renovated it pretty much from top to bottom. Let me show you everything that I've done. This is my bedroom. This was all cabinetry that went across here. Made it feel very closed in. I removed it. I utilized the piece of wood that was left over, put this little shelf on it, and Mickey Moused the light into it. This is the bottom of one of the hanging cabinets. After dropping my drill on it 3 times and trying to get it off and it wouldn't come off, I said, you know what? You want to live there. And it would be perfect for me to put my laptop on or a small TV. That was from the kitchen bench. I took it out and put it in here because it has extra storage underneath. I love artwork, and yes, this does not fit well. It's huge. It's hard to put mirrors and things like that. Hello. This is where my clothes go. I don't know if I should show you. Oh, it's not too bad. This is the upper part, the upper cabinet that I want to put my mason jars and some little knickerknackers in. My voice is gone. I think I have sucked back way too many paint fumes. I varnished the top of this and it's going to have so much more space for me. I'm so impressed I got through it. But wish me luck, because this is my life. That jars work best for me for keeping stuff neat and tidy. So I have all my spice jars and some of the stuff that I've dried from my last garden. Another thing I did was I removed the cupboard that was here because it was a 2-sided cupboard and I would just leave it open and bunk my head. Having access from this side is all I need. I didn't need the other side. That allows me to put up another picture. Did do the little subway tiles. I'm not good at those. It looks better than having a bunch of old wallpaper. And despite that I did it all wrong, it does wipe up really nicely around the stove area. So I'm really glad that I did it. I took some panels that were countertop. I got some of the peel and stick and put it on there just to make it more fun. Now this is my pantry. It has not been organized. I use a lot of these containers for any kind of dry goods or anything that could be a critter attractant. And then the pile, there's a pile. I do like to cook quite a bit, so I do have quite a bit of space for my pantry. I've got more stuff in here. And this kitchen is actually equipped with like quite a bit of storage. I've got my coffee making station over here. I've put a hanger up there, and it's so nice to be able to hang some pictures in here. My last place, everything fell off the walls. I'm also really happy with the way that the dining room looks in here. The bench set just didn't look cozy. It felt like an RV before. Now it feels like our home. Day 1 rip out, we're getting it done. Lots of garbage over there, and I think that this is going to be remarkable. It's kind of fun to rip stuff out. I designed the room so that it could have a spare bed underneath that could just be pulled out, and it just gets tucked away when not in use. So what do you think? Would you live in a small small tiny home or in an RV. I hope that you enjoyed the little tour. Thank you so much for watching.